Owning a classic car is a dream for many. The open road beckons. However, insuring these automotive treasures can be tricky. It's not as simple as insuring your everyday car. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate this. This guide will unlock the secrets of insuring your old car. We'll cover everything you need to know. We'll discuss cost factors, step-by-step guidance, and the world of classic car insurance. Get ready to hit the road with confidence. Welcome to InsureSavvy. We are your trusted resource for classic car insurance. Our mission is to empower you with knowledge. We provide clear and concise information. This will help you make smart decisions about insuring your prized possession. In this comprehensive guide, we'll break down complex concepts. We'll use simple language. We'll provide practical tips and real-world examples. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a first-time classic car owner, we've got you covered. You might think that insuring an older car is cheaper. Unfortunately, that's not always true. Several factors influence insurance premiums for classic cars. One key factor is the lack of age-based discounts. Unlike newer cars, classics don't depreciate at the same rate. This means insurers can't apply the same discounts. Additionally, the availability of parts and specialized repair shops can drive up costs. That's why it's crucial to shop around and compare quotes from multiple insurers. Ready to secure the best insurance for your classic car in 2025? Follow our step-by-step guide. Classic cars are more than just vehicles. They are a piece of history, a labor of love, and often a significant investment. Ensuring they are properly insured is crucial to preserving their value and your peace of mind. First, research different insurance providers specializing in classic cars. Not all insurance companies offer policies tailored to the unique needs of classic car owners. Look for providers who understand the nuances of classic car ownership and can offer policies that reflect the true value of your vehicle. Look for companies with a solid reputation for customer service and competitive pricing. Read reviews from other classic car owners and consider reaching out to local car clubs for recommendations. A company with a good track record will make the claims process smoother and less stressful. Next, determine your car's declared value. This involves getting a professional appraisal to assess the current market value of your vehicle. The declared value is crucial because it determines the payout you would receive in the event of a total loss. Make sure to keep all documentation and receipts for any work done on the car. This is the agreed-upon value of your vehicle with the insurer in case of a total loss. It's important to negotiate this value carefully to ensure it accurately reflects the worth of your car. An agreed value policy guarantees that you will receive the full insured amount without depreciation deductions. Be realistic and factor in any modifications or restorations. Enhancements and restorations can significantly increase the value of your classic car. Make sure these are included in the declared value. Regularly update your insurer about any changes to ensure your policy remains accurate. Remember to account for depreciation over time. While classic cars can appreciate in value, they can also depreciate depending on market conditions and wear and tear. Regular appraisals can help keep your insurance coverage in line with the car's current value. Explore additional coverage options like roadside assistance and agreed value protection. Roadside assistance can be a lifesaver if your classic car breaks down. Agreed value protection ensures you get the full insured amount in case of a total loss, without depreciation deductions. Don't forget to leverage any no-claim bonuses from your previous insurer. These bonuses can significantly reduce your premium. If you have a good driving record and haven't made any claims, you could be eligible for substantial discounts. Finally, install anti-theft devices to deter potential thieves and potentially lower your premium. Classic cars are often targets for theft due to their high value. Installing alarms, tracking devices, and immobilizers can not only protect your car but also make you eligible for discounts on your insurance premium. By following these steps, you can ensure that your cherished classic is well protected and that you have peace of mind while enjoying your ride. Section 5. Classic Car Insurance. A deep dive into pros and cons. Classic car insurance differs from standard auto insurance. It offers specialized coverage tailored to the unique needs of classic car owners. Let's explore the pros and cons. One significant advantage is the agreed value policy. This ensures you receive the full insured amount in case of a total loss, regardless of market fluctuations. Another perk is the availability of $0 deductibles, minimizing your out-of-pocket expenses. However, classic car insurance often comes with usage limitations. Be prepared for mileage restrictions and designated usage guidelines. Section 6. Agreed value versus market value. Which one protects you better? When it comes to insuring your prized classic car, the type of coverage you choose can make a significant difference in your financial security and peace of mind. Understanding the difference between agreed value and market value is crucial when insuring your classic car. These two types of insurance valuations can affect how much money you receive in the event of a claim. Market value refers to the amount your car would sell for in its current condition. This is the price a buyer would be willing to pay for your car at the time of the loss. It's determined by factors such as the car's age, condition, mileage, and the current demand for similar vehicles. This value fluctuates based on market trends and can be subjective. For instance, if the market for classic cars is booming, the market value of your car might be higher. Conversely, if the market is down, the value could be significantly lower. This variability can make it challenging to predict the exact payout you'll receive if you need to file a claim. On the other hand, agreed value provides more security. With an agreed value policy, you and your insurer agree on a fixed amount that your car is worth at the time the policy is written. This amount is based on factors like the car's condition, rarity, and any modifications or restorations that have been done. It's a predetermined amount you and your insurer agree on when you purchase the policy. This agreed value doesn't change over time, regardless of market conditions. So if your car is totaled or stolen, you'll receive the full agreed-upon amount, providing you with a predictable and stable payout. This ensures you receive the full agreed-upon sum in case of a total loss, regardless of market fluctuations. This can be particularly beneficial if the market value of your car has decreased since you took out the policy. You won't have to worry about the potential financial loss due to market depreciation. For classic car owners, agreed value policies offer peace of mind and financial protection. Knowing that you have a guaranteed payout amount can help you enjoy your classic car without the constant worry of market changes. It's a way to safeguard your investment and ensure that you can recover financially if the unexpected happens. Section 7. The rise of telematics, how technology impacts your premium. Telematics is revolutionizing the insurance industry even for classic cars. Telematics devices track driving behavior such as speed, mileage, and braking patterns. This data helps insurers assess risk more accurately and personalize premiums. While some classic car enthusiasts may hesitate to install tracking devices, telematics can potentially lower premiums for safe drivers. By demonstrating responsible driving habits, you can unlock discounts and save money on your insurance. Section 8. Global trends from collectible craze to tariff troubles. The classic car market is experiencing a global surge in popularity. From vintage sports cars to iconic muscle cars, collectors worldwide are eager to get their hands on these automotive treasures. This increased demand has led to rising values and a thriving market for classic car insurance. However, global events, such as tariff policies and economic fluctuations, can impact the market. It's essential to stay informed about these trends and consult with your insurance provider to ensure you have adequate coverage. Section 9. Unlock the best deals, expert tips for savvy owners. Finding the best insurance deals for your classic car requires savvy shopping and negotiation skills. It's not just about picking the first option that comes your way. Instead, it's about understanding the nuances of insurance policies and leveraging them to your advantage. Classic car insurance can be quite different from regular car insurance, and knowing these differences can save you a lot of money. Here are some expert tips to help you secure the most favorable rates. First, always start by doing thorough research. Understand what each insurance company offers and what their policies cover. This will give you a solid foundation to make informed decisions. Shop around and compare quotes from multiple insurers. Don't just rely on one or two companies. The more quotes you get, the better your chances of finding a great deal. Use online comparison tools to make this process easier and more efficient. Don't settle for the first quote you receive. It's tempting to go with the first offer, especially if it seems reasonable, but patience pays off. Take your time to evaluate all your options. Sometimes negotiating with insurers can also lead to better deals. Maintain a clean driving record. Insurers look at your driving history to assess risk. A spotless record can significantly lower your premiums. Avoid traffic violations and accidents to keep your record clean. A history of safe driving can significantly lower your premiums. Safe driving not only keeps you and others safe but also makes you a less risky client for insurers. This can translate into substantial savings over time. Join a classic car club or association. These organizations often have partnerships with insurance companies, offering their members exclusive discounts and benefits. Plus, being part of a community can provide valuable resources and support. Many insurers offer discounts to members of these organizations. Consider a higher deductible. While it means you'll pay more out of pocket in the event of a claim, it can significantly reduce your monthly premiums. Opting for a higher deductible can lower your monthly premium payments. This strategy works well if you have a good driving record and don't anticipate making frequent claims. Review your policy annually. Make sure your coverage still meets your needs and explore potential savings. Insurance needs can change over time, and what worked for you last year might not be the best option now. Regularly reviewing your policy ensures you always have the best coverage at the best price. Section 10. Stay connected with InsureSavvy. Your feedback matters. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the intricacies of insuring your old car. We hope this guide has empowered you with the knowledge and confidence to make informed decisions about protecting your prized possession. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on classic car insurance and beyond. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.